Hey boys and girls, welcome to another super exciting, outrageous toy review. Kevin here, and I'm taking a look at the TerraSect, made by the Alpha Group. This is a crazy remote control vehicle that can roll, flip, and attack. It's great for indoor and outdoor use, and special thanks to my friends at the Alpha Group for sending it over so we could take a look at it here today on the show. Here's a nice close-up look of the TerraSect out of the package. It's awesome how its eyes glow when it's turned on. Here's the remote control that comes with it. It also has an on-off switch and features controls to make the TerraSect move. I was very impressed with the TerraSect. It is really fast on smooth surfaces. It was great on the tile floor in my kitchen, as well as some of the hard surfaces outside. Carpet did slow it down a bit, but it did still work. And man, is this thing tough. Did you see it take that spill down the steps like a champ? TerraSect. This thing's a lot of fun. Hey boys and girls, thanks for watching this super exciting, outrageous toy review. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos.